What's up, people? Today I've got two things to show you. One, we're replacing our OEM radiator cap. It sucks. It does not hold the pressure, especially when you're modified. So if you're at 16 plus PSI at wide open throttle, especially you guys that have been to the track already know this, you will get coolant spraying all over your engine bay. It's nasty. The first time it happened to me was when I was at ACO, the very first time we were modified, and I had coolant spray up under the hood, come up on the windshield on the passenger side. I had no idea what that was the first time it happened. Kind of shocked me. It leaves the engine bay looking like crap. We're going to show you that. We're going to replace it with a Moroso racing radiator cap. We'll show you the part number, the one that we recommend. And the second thing we're going to do is we're going to take out our McCullough steam cleaner, the one that I personally love, and we're going to steam clean the engine bay and clean it up a little bit. We'll show you again. Also, if you're interested in buying a steam cleaner, I love this one. You get about 40 minutes of steam. It just works great. So we'll show you all that here in a sec. All right, so we replaced our OEM radiator cap today with the Moroso part number 6320. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. 19 to 21 PSI. You see that? Now this one, let's see if it shows you on here. If it says it anywhere. It does not. It says, oh, there it goes. It says it right there. It's hard to see it. It says 21 PSI. You see that? This does not hold the pressure. And this is what happens. You see the overspray? So whenever you're modified with the Trackhawk, anything over 16 PSI, this is what you can expect. This is nasty. It goes all over the place, causes a a mess. And anyway, we replaced it today, which will get rid of that. And now we got to clean this up with our steam cleaner. So we're waiting for that to heat up, and then we're going to show you how you can just blast it with steam and get this all nice and clean. All right, first thing you want to do is fill up your steam cleaner. It's full. I got too much in there. After you fill it up, plug it in and put the power on. And you're just gonna wait until this needle gets to about the middle of the green before you start going. All right, looks like we're ready to go. The needle is right where we need to be. And before I get started, I always make sure I use a towel to cover any important components. I don't want any steam getting down anywhere that I don't want it to. Trying to keep the engine bay as dry as possible and just hit the affected areas, okay? So use a towel. Also, you got to remember, when you're putting this hose up along your vehicle, if you're not careful, you could scratch your paint. Luckily, I have a vinyl wrap, so I'm not too concerned about that. But this is a part of the prep. Just getting the towel in place. Also, before you start using this, make sure you do a little test spray. There you go. You want to get all the air bubbles out of the way first. Okay, now you're ready to go. Now you're ready to work. Just like that. I get most of the staining off. Wipe it down, microfiber towel. to go. Get this dirt out of here. Quick little update, she's looking better. We're almost done cleaning this. There's still some spots that I missed. Gotta keep going. This was a mess, but starting to look a lot better. A lot better. All done. This is what it looks like when you're finished. Now, there's still some spots, some water spots, and some dust and dirt here in the crevices that I really don't feel like attacking today. I just wanted to get the majority of it nice and clean, show you how this steam cleaner does an amazing job at addressing all the dirt, oil, and grime that's inside your engine bay. It only took me about a half hour. I got everything on top, got all the dust for the most part out of here. That's it. I'll have a link down in the description for the steam cleaner. If you have any questions for me, shoot me a message below. Just a little Sunday fun day cleaning to get the engine bay looking good and swapping out the radiator cap. I'll also have a link down in the description for that cap if you want it. Do me a favor before you go, hit the like button, hit the little bell notification next to it down here if you would. Click subscribe. Last but not least, you guys and girls be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.